Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So recently OnePlus rolled out May SOTA update for OnePlus 13 and other devices were yet to receive. But in that particular update, OnePlus did not mention few changes which are recently added with other devices like OnePlus 12 series and OnePlus Nord series. In this video, we'll talk about those changes which are not mentioned by OnePlus. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 12 and even I haven't received the SOTA update of May on this device. But if you guys haven't received the SOTA update, there's an easy way to update your device. Not exactly to the SOTA update, but basically SOTA update is what they update the applications. I mean the OnePlus stock applications. So after this latest update of OnePlus 12, I mean the SOTA update, you can see the update size is 241.56 MB, and if you see the changelogs are related to photos and notes application. Other than that, they haven't added any more changes. But if I show you here on OnePlus 13 we had some additional changes excluding notes and photos application. Those were related to OConnect, Phone Manager, Contact and My Files. But here in these changes, we did not notice any major difference. The major difference was only noticed in the photos application and the notes application. And now if you guys haven't received this update, you can just update the application like photos and notes application. This way you'll get all the features what OnePlus is rolling out with SOTA update. So as I told you guys, even I did not receive an OT update. So here you can see these are the two files which you can install it on any of your OnePlus smartphone, and you'll get these features from May SOTA update. So the latest version what we guys received with the SOTA version was 15.4.8 for the notes application. I'll show you the screenshot of the previous application version that was 15.3.42. And also talking about the photos application, previously it was 15.37.4 and the latest build is 15.55.5. So you just tap on these applications. I'll provide the links in the description below. Update the application and you're good to go.
Okay, a quick break TechEB family. Today's shout out goes to something I've been using a lot lately, and that's the Duracell wireless magnetic power bank. This one right here, not just any power bank. It's probably the slimmest, most stylish magnetic power bank I've come across recently. It looks good, feels good and performs even better. It's packed with 10,000 mAh of battery, compact, lightweight and sleek enough to slip into your pocket or even a small pouch. You also get up to 15 watt fast wireless charging support, perfect for iPhones or Samsung Galaxies. And yes, it works with the AirPods, Galaxy Buds and even OnePlus Buds. And here's the best part, you can charge 3 devices at once. 2 via wired connection, USB and Type-C and 1 wirelessly. Plus there's an LED indicator so you always know the battery level. Also it's literally smart, it auto detects your device and protect it with short circuit, over voltage and over temperature protection. It can be fully charged under 3.5 hours. Just make sure to use 18 watt adapter and a 3A cable. Honestly, it makes a perfect gift because it looks classy, works like charm and of course it's from Duracell.
Plus you get 2 years of warranty, which is an added advantage.
So yes, absolutely reliable. Check out the link in the description below if you are planning to grab one. And trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, now back to the main content.
So once you install the photos application, so I have updated the photo application, and if you see the change, it says you can now turn off the sound of a live photo in editing page. So I do have a photo which I clicked after updating, and here I have my OnePlus Nord 4. I'll show you on this also, like there is no option to edit the live photo. I mean you cannot turn off the sound. So here I have the live photo. You can see a symbol over here of the live photo. Tapping on edit, tapping on live edit, you can see there's no such option to disable the sound. But here on my OnePlus 12, after installing this latest application, tapping on edit, tapping on live photos, you can see we do get 2 new options. One is mute and the second one is turn off live photos. This option was not available here on the previous build of Gallery application. Though we had the option to choose the frame of the live photo, that option is still there. But the new add-on what they have done, and that's the ability to mute the sound of that live photo. And similar way, if you see the second change which says now you can turn off the live photo effect of a live photo in the editing page. This option will turn the live photo into a still photo. So here one option is this and second option is this. So once you do it and save it, now that particular photo is no more a live photo. Even if I long press here, it says live photo is turned off, turn it on. But if you still want the live effect, after saving it as original file, you can still go to the edit option, and here we have an option called revert. OnePlus has introduced this feature, like even if you replace the original file, you can still get back the original settings. tapping on revert, and there we go. Now we have this live photo. So this is the new add-on what they have done. And after that they say they have improved the button design on the photo selection page in Photos. So here, other than one change, I did not find anything else. So here in the photo section, if I long press on any of the photo, we get to see these two arrows to expand the photo. Like on the previous update, if I long press, you can see there was no arrow. To open the photo in full screen, we can tap anywhere on the photo preview and it used to open in the full screen. But now that's not the case. If you tap anywhere on this preview, you won't be able to open that photo in full screen mode. Instead of that, you need to tap on these two arrows to open that particular photo in the full screen mode. So this is the other change what you guys will notice in the gallery application. After that, moving on to the Notes application. So Note application also you can just directly install it by using the APKs given in the description below. And if you see the first change which says you can now insert table in the note. So yes, this add-on have been done. I'll open Notes application here on this device and even on my OnePlus Nord 4. On this device I have not updated the application. So if I tap on this plus icon, first change what you'll notice here, previously we had all the options here on the top side of the keyboard like the voice, camera and dawdle. But now they have added a plus icon where it looks in future they'll be adding more options. With this update they have added this spreadsheet option. Tapping on it, you have the spreadsheet in the Notes application, and other things like take photo, photos and scan document have also been added under this plus icon. And now we have all the options in different tabs, which wasn't the case on the previous build of Notes application. And the next change which I also mentioned in the previous video, if you guys are aware, do let me know, which says now you can select the shape of the dawdle pen such as line, triangle, circle or arrow in a note. As said, and I couldn't notice any change here. So even if I select the dawdle and go to the last option, here if you see, we only have these four options. One is line, square, circle and the arrow. There is no triangle to be seen. If you guys are aware where it's located, do let me know in the comment section below. Another changes like you can now search all notes under a note that hasn't been logged, and you can now pin, move or delete a note in the search results page of Notes. So here they are talking about if you're searching anything, you still have the ability to, move, lock, pin or delete the note. That wasn't the case on the previous build of Notes application. So this is another add-on what they have done. For OnePlus 12 series and Nord series, they have only mentioned these change logs. If you want to see the changes what they added on OnePlus 13 series, you can watch the video which is being displayed on the screen. And if I found anything else on this latest SOTA update, I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, this was all about the changes done with the SOTA update of May for OnePlus 12 series and OnePlus Nord series. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Go, 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 go.